Oh, poor monkey. Good monkey.
Sometimes you piss me off so much.
Let me kiss it.
Alright. My tongue! What happened to my tongue? It's a piece of string. Ouch!
It's recording.
Oh, I did not know you were recording. I thought that was a picture camera. I did not know it was video camera. You tricked me. You tricked the monkey chatter. 1 Jessica and 0 monkey chatter. You got me. Shoot. Check out this. It's my tag. Awesome. I'm name brand. Shit, yeah, Gucci. I'm the Gucci monkey. Not really. I think it says something else, like from the 80s. I'm old. I like fine wine. I age perfect.
Where did you get this?
That is my friend. I met her on the street in Austin on 6th Street. She's my kissy woman. Oh yes.
That was so weird.
Oh yes, I love it. Ooh, tongue.
Bring him some sugar. The monkey, not your hand.
Heck no. See
Look.
the monkey?
Monkey can act. Monkey, act scared. Okay, now act angry. No, act scared again. Act surprised. You're pregnant. Alright, now you're happy. I'm happy! I can't make a smile. I try. My jaw goes like this. Hey! Yo! Bitter beer face! Oh! Bitter beer face.
Bring
Oh!
that mask on. The old man mask. We can compare them.
Hey, what's up? What's your number? Mine is... Oh my god, that is scary, for real. You look like an old man with a cigar in your mouth. That is crazy. I can hardly believe it. It still, though, turns me on. I like it. Okay. Can I have a little puff of that cigar or what? A puff of pass. Shoot. If I can lift my... Matthew, lift my arm! Let me... He has Velcro on so he can hug you. He put his legs around you. I'm a good monkey. I like it. I love Matthew. I put my legs around him. Well, actually, he put some around him for me, but I hold him there.
Oh God.
Is my friend. Me and my buddy stick to... I love you, Matthew. I wish I could do ventriloquism so you couldn't see my lips move. Me too, you asshole! That would be great! If you could talk with me without moving your lips, it'd be freaking incredible. Awesome.
Ask the monkey a question, B.
Yeah.
You smoke marijuana.
Oh, you got some or what? I mean, if you got some, I'd smoke it. Shoot. Oh, okay. Why you asked then? You tried to get my hopes up, and then you squashed them? That's right. You have nothing to say, because I'm the show. Ouch! She's beating the monkey. In a minute, she's going to be spanking me. I've been bad monkey. Spank me. Oh. Yep, good times. I have to do the voice. He talks like this. Hello.
Yeah, that's like a girl.
There's a girl monkey. No, if you put a ribbon on him, you can.
I have ribbon.
Yeah, put a bow on him or something.
Put your headband on him.
Put my ribbon on me so I can become a girl, okay? A pretty girl. Watch this. This is Extreme Makeover, Monkey Chatter Edition. Rambo!
Hey, look at me.
Then the camera cannot see me. Okay, break my neck.
That's cute. She goes, look at me.
She's talking to the monkey.
Call him Boopa.
I feel pretty. Make me pretty.
How are we gonna do this?
Yes. How does it? Oh, ah! You totally choked me for like a second there. I totally couldn't breathe.
Oh
Alright, gentle around the monkey ears, okay? Jesus Christ, what are you trying to do? Kill me? Chop! I do not like you. Matthew, help me! She tried to kill me. She tried. She looked at me.
I can't. Give me it.
You son of a bitch! How dare you try to tangle me?
Oh, it's so cute.
That was an in the moment thing.
I scare you. Oh, hey.
Oh, baby.
Just. This is kinky.
Hang on here, tie it on his ear.
Yes.
They don't try to bite me.
Wait, yeah, there you go.
Hey. Mm.
Oh!
I like sucking on your finger. Put your finger back in my mouth. Ooh, baby. Yes, ooh, ooh. Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh, la la la. Hi, I'm the girl monkey chatter. What's up with you?
She's country too.
How are you doing? Hi.
Hi.
Hi
What's up?
there.
What's up with you, girlfriend?
You gotta talk like.
What's up, Miss Monkey
How do
Chatter?
I talk? Like,
I'm just, you,
what do I say?
You just make up something. Here, talk to me.
Hi.
No,
I'm letting it see my mouth. Wait.
I don't want to see my mouth.
Okay.
why'd you do that?
I hold your hand out. I gotta spit out my monkey puppet gum. Hi, my name is Monkey Chatter.
Hi, my name. Wait. Whoa, I can't do this. I'll lose my ribbon for real though.
Your ribbon is now mine.
No, oh, your finger, my bad.
Finger, your finger, my bad.
Oh, I couldn't see anything.
Whatever.
I feel. Show me your angry face, monkey chair. Just good.
Wait, that ain't it.
Let's compete,
Wait.
monkey chair. Let's compete.
All right.
Don't punch me in my face. Grr.
Mean mug. You cannot suck your face in like me. Take this. I want it off. I can't use my hands. Get it. Get it off of me. I don't like it.
Let me do it again.
What?
Let's me do it again.
Ouch. I wish I could put my fingers in his ears and move his ears, wiggle his ears. Hey, what are you doing?
Eat your hand.
She messed me up.
You
Don't, I do not want to eat my hands. You drive me crazy. I do not like it. You like that? I bite your finger. Oh, does it hurt? You were talking to the monkey chatter. I'm not control. That's right. He's not in control.
Guys!
I have complete control.
Stupid
It's like that little dummy on there. He's gonna come to life and he's gonna eat your tongue.
Oh
Bree.
my god, he like freaking broke my finger.
Do you not think I am real? I shall haunt you in your dreams. You better not scream. I bite your tongue out. Just like that. Do it again. I dare you. Don't hold me and do it again. I dare you. Don't move your head and do it again. Don't grab me. I dare you.
It's like a snake or a crocodile or something.
You ain't shit. You ain't ouch. Hey.
Yeah,
You got served. Monkey dance. You served.
say bye bye.
This is the Monkey Chatter signing out. I see you later. Later we get together and drink the beers. Bye.